So I'm Tristan,
And I'm Madeline.
and today we're gonna be unboxing two different Enhypen albums. One is the Orange Blood album, and the other one is Romance Untold Engine Edition. So
Okay. What meaning is there in eternity without you? Should I do like this? What's your bias? My bias? J. Who's yours? J1. So
it's not something else. We're not gonna get it. Okay, but it's back there.
they're like all the ingredients. Oh, this is a poster.
I'm gonna get into the songs. Yeah. Pink postcard. We have stickers with their name on it. What is that?
Oh, it's a postcard. It's Nikki.
Oh, Nikki?
Yes. Oh, we have a bookmark with Jake on it. Even this one. This one.
Let's flip first.
Okay. Okay. I see you. Okay. These songs. And another song. Okay. We can rip open this one then. Is this a Polaroid? Oh,
What is it?
it's a scent.
What is it from though?
Non-fiction.
Oh.
Okay.
I think it might smell a little weird because this album is like, it's 2023
Oh,
edition,
yeah.
so I don't know. Okay, so the next one we're gonna get into is this Romance Untold Engine version album. So we're gonna unbox this one.
Smaller than the first one.
Oh, it comes out. I don't think so. I think it's just maybe really old. I don't know.
Oh.
Or maybe it does come out. I don't know. It's like, look, the binding.
Oh my
I
god,
think,
bro. I hate that.
I think this album might be a little old.
Yeah.
Because the binding got all out. So, yeah. It's fine though.
Who's that? Oh, the CD.
CD? Okay.
You take that one out? Okay, yeah. That did not sound good.
Yeah, the binding. I think it's just really old.
Yeah. That's how my NCC albums are too. And they're all
so
like
cute. Wait, show this one to the
Oh,
camera.
okay.
That's cute.
I'm trying not to break it.
Yeah. It's all gonna fall apart.
And like it has messages from Jungwon.
Oh, all of them? Yeah.
But like
I think Jungwon.
like who you'll pull.
Okay,
Okay.
so we got Heesung again.
And Jungwon. Oh, this one's cute.
Oh, that's cute, yeah.
I love octopuses. Like actually.
Mhm.
Or is that that's a squid, I think actually.
I don't know.
I like both.
It looks about the same. Oh, like picture Polaroids.
Yes.
This is cute.
And then it's a Jungwon.
Photo.
These like feel like it's like
he's actually like printed out like somewhere.
yeah.
Yeah.